Silk has been in use for thousands of years as a luxurious fabric. Many fashion designers prefer to use silk for their designs due to its unique characteristics. In this video, we'll discuss why silk is used to create fabric and how it is produced. Silk has been synonymous with luxury for thousands of years. It's a natural fabric with unique properties that make it highly prized by the fashion industry. In this video, we're going to explore why silk is used to create fabric and how it's made. Silk is produced by silkworms, which are the larvae of the silk moth. Silkworms spin a cocoon made of silk fiber, which is then harvested for the production of silk fabric. Silk has many characteristics that make it unique and highly valued. One of its most notable characteristics is its soft, smooth texture. This texture is due to the triangular structure of the fibers, which allows silk to drape elegantly. Silk is also a very lightweight fabric, which makes it comfortable to wear. Another characteristic of silk is that it's a good insulator, keeping you warm in the winter and cool in the summer. Silk production begins with the harvesting of silkworm cocoons. The cocoons are boiled, which kills the silkworm inside and also loosens the fibers. The fibers are then unwound from the cocoons and spun into silk thread or yarn. The thread is then woven into fabric. There are many different types of silk, each with its own characteristics. The most common types of silk include mulberry, tussa, and wild silk. Mulberry silk is the most popular as it's the softest and strongest. Tussa silk has a coarser texture and is often used for upholstery. Wild silk is produced by silkworms that are not cultivated, resulting in a more irregular texture. Silk is an incredible natural fiber that has been treasured for thousands of years. Its unique characteristics make it highly versatile, and it has been used in many different applications throughout history. One of the most common uses of silk is in clothing, and it is often used in high-end garments such as dresses, shirts, and ties. Its lustrous, shimmering appearance gives it a luxurious feel, making it a popular choice for formal wear. Beyond clothing, silk is also valued for its strength and lightweight nature. As a result, it is an excellent choice for use in upholstery and bedding, providing both durability and comfort. And perhaps most surprisingly, silk has even been used in parachutes because of its strength and endurance. Whether it's in the form of a beautiful scarf or a high-tech parachute, silk is a truly remarkable material that has proven itself to be incredibly versatile and useful. Alright guys, thank you all for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more exciting content. Remember to turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Feel free to leave your comments down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care and stay awesome.